Yo, what is up guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to be explaining how you can get message notifications on Roblox. So if you're playing a Roblox game and you want to get either in-game notifications or desktop notifications, meaning that it comes onto your desktop when you're playing a game or even when you're not playing a game, then this is what you need to do. So first of all, go to roblox.com and log into your account. Once you have logged into your account, what you want to do is click the settings gear cog at the top right hand corner, and then you want to go to settings. From the settings page, you can see this little menu here on the left hand side. What you want to do is click on notifications at the bottom, and then you'll see two options: notification stream and desktop push. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that this is ticked on where it says I receive a private message. If this is off like this, it's not going to send you the in-stream game notifications when you get a message. So select that on, and then what you want to do is select desktop push and toggle that switch on. And I just need to allow this notification real quick, so I'll do that, allow for this site, and then you might have to do that process when you're doing this. So that has been enabled right now, so just allow the pop-up there when it pops up. And then you can see here where it says someone chats with me, you can select that one on, and then you want to make sure that this one is on where it says I receive a private message. So go ahead and select that, and then just go ahead and click save at the bottom right hand corner. It says save successfully, just click on OK, and then you have successfully done that. So I hope this helped you out. If it did, don't forget to drop a like onto this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.